In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a ping in Basecamp. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you feel comfortable and confident using this feature. Whether you're coordinating with a team or connecting with an individual colleague, pings offer a simple way to communicate directly within Basecamp. To get started, we need to navigate to the pings area. Once you have Basecamp open, look towards the top of your screen. You'll see a link labeled Pings. Clicking on this link will guide you to where you'll start your new conversation. This is your first step in mastering pings, so take a moment to locate it and familiarize yourself with this section of the interface. Next, you'll want to initiate a new conversation. Look for a button or icon that says New Ping, or simply has a plus symbol, which might differ depending on your version of the interface. Click on it, and a new pop-up window will appear. This is where you choose the individuals you want to message. Don't worry if you need to take a moment to decide who will be part of the conversation. You can always adjust your recipients later. Now, when it comes to selecting your recipients, there are a couple of scenarios to consider. If you're an admin or an account owner, you have the ability to ping anyone within your Basecamp account. This access makes it incredibly easy to stay in touch and coordinate across your teams. However, if you're not an admin, you'll only be able to ping people you share a project with, alongside admins or account owners. This setup ensures that everyone can maintain relevant communication lines without unnecessary disruptions. Once you've determined who to ping, it's time to compose and send your message. In the chat box that you see, type out your message. Here's a handy tip. If you paste a public URL in here, Basecamp will automatically generate a link preview for you. This feature is particularly useful for sharing resources or references quickly and clearly. Once you're satisfied with your message, hit Enter or click the Send button. This sends your message directly to the selected recipients. As your message is received, your recipients will notice a notification badge next to the pings menu, unless they already have that conversation open. This notification system is a subtle yet effective way to remind folks of new or ongoing discussions. And speaking of ongoing discussions, replying is straightforward too. Recipients can join the conversation by replying in thread, quoting specific messages, adding attachments, or even continuing the discussion privately if needed. That's it for the rundown on sending a ping in Basecamp. With these steps, you're all set to optimize your communication strategy and make the most out of your Basecamp experience.